Okay, can you all hear me now? Please move your face so that I know. Can you all hear me? Okay, good enough. Okay, so let's begin our today's class with the name of Almighty Allah. Okay, I welcome you all to this virtual class, and I hope that you all are fine and healthy at your home, taking good care of yourself. Let's begin our class with the name of Almighty Allah. من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. I hope that you all can see the rules on your screen. The very first one is that you all have to keep your video mode open. I have already told you guys. Then you have to join, when you're going to join the class, make sure that you join it with your own name, okay, so that I can mark your attendance. Pay attention during the lecture. At start you all will be muted. In case you have a question, so do raise your hand by clicking on the reaction and drop a question in chat box. You will get a chance to speak by the end of lecture, so have patience. Okay, dear students, I hope that you all can see the screen, and you can see uh, the topic that you are going to study, agriculture of Pakistan. You already know that we started this chapter and we have completed part 1. In it we studied what agriculture basically is, its 3 broad categories: arable, pastoral and mixed crop farming. we studied what crop farming basically is. We studied what are input, processes and output of agricultural sector. For example, for agricultural sector, you can say a natural input can be soil, temperature, rainfall, and human input can be knowledge, labor, irrigation, etc. Processes can be sowing, irrigating, threshing, etc. Okay, output, what will be the output? Output of crop farming will be in form of wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, or any other crop. Okay, so this is something that we all studied in part 1 of agriculture before zero term. But now in this term you are going to study part 2. What part 2 will consist of, I'm going to tell you later. But before that, just quickly take out your notebook and write down the syllabus of syllabus of zero term. In it, there will be two chapters: Agriculture of Pakistan and Power Resources. Okay, so in part 2 of Agriculture of Pakistan, you are going to study about livestock farming and what it is basically, its different types. Okay, so this video will be uploaded in our official YouTube channel. You can go there and you can easily see this slide. Okay, I have shown you the first template of this PowerPoint presentation and video before this template I have already shown you. Just have a look, just scroll it in different videos uploaded in our YouTube channel and you will be able to find it out. And then you can see this is your assignment, that before our next class you have to watch this video. Okay, then I will interact with you, I will ask you questions related to it, then I will guide you that how you're going to do the worksheet. Okay, so that you can have a thorough understanding of it. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.